Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to explain what Schema Markup is, how to add it to your Squarespace website, and a faster way to automate the entire process. If you want your business to stand out on Google and be ready for AI search, this video is for you. Most Squarespace websites are missing a key element that helps them stand out. Your website might look great to people, but search engines and AI tools don't always fully understand your content on their own. That's where Schema Markup comes in. It uses JSON-LD to give search engines clear, structured information about your business, helping them understand your content more accurately. Without Schema Markup, you're just a plain blue link in search results. And here's the problem. You might actually be ranking higher than your competitors, but they're getting more clicks. Why? Because they are using Schema to show rich snippets. These include things like star ratings, FAQ dropdowns, and product pricing directly in search results. And here's why that matters. Here you can see the case studies listed on Google's official site, Google Search Central. Let's go through them. Number one, Rotten Tomatoes. They added structured data to over 100,000 pages and saw a 25% higher click-through rate on pages with rich results. Number two, the Food Network. They enabled rich search features on 80% of their pages and saw a 35% increase in visits. Number three, Rakuten. They found that users spent 1.5 times more time on pages with structured data, along with a 3.6 times higher interaction rate. And number four, Nestlé. They reported that pages appearing as rich results achieved an 82% higher click-through rate compared to standard listings. And this is where AI search starts to change everything. According to ClickForest, AI is becoming a major part of search. Right now, around 15% of Google searches show AI-generated summaries, also known as AI overviews, and these systems rely heavily on structured data as a source. So when you use Schema Markup, you're not just optimizing for search engines, you're also increasing your chances of being featured in these AI results. And it goes even further. Tools like Google Gemini and ChatGPT rely on structured data like JSON-LD to better understand website content. In 2025, both Google and Microsoft publicly confirmed that Schema Markup plays a role in how their generative AI features interpret and surface information. So when you add Schema to your website, you're not just helping search engines, you're also making it easier for AI systems to understand and potentially feature your content. Now here's the opportunity. Most websites aren't using structured data effectively, giving you a clear advantage if you do. Now let's talk about how to add Schema Markup to Squarespace website. First, generate your schema using a free tool like Technical SEO. Choose the type you need, like product or local business, fill in your details and copy the code. Next, log into your Squarespace website. Go to the website, then click on Pages and select the page. After that, click on Custom Code, then Code Injection. Paste your schema code there and save your changes. After that, validate your schema. Use the Schema Markup validator. Paste your code or URL and run the test to make sure everything is working correctly. You can also use Rich Results Test tool to validate your schema. Just search for it on Google, open the tool, and enter the URL of the page you want to test. Then run the test and you'll be able to see and validate your schema step by step. Now, the manual method works, but it's not scalable. If you have multiple pages, doing this again and again takes time, and it's easy to make mistakes or miss updates. So here's a better option. If you want to save time and avoid all the manual work, you can use JSON Schema app. This tool automatically adds Schema Markup to your Squarespace website. No coding required. It scans your site, applies the right schema, and then it keeps everything updated for you. So instead of managing everything manually, it runs in the background and handles it all. So before you go, here are a few quick tips. Use organization or local business schema on your homepage. Use aggregate rating schema on your product pages. Use FAQ schema on your service pages and blog posts to improve visibility. And always make sure your schema matches your actual content. One more thing, I'll share all the helpful links in the description so you can better understand everything, including ClickForest, Google Search Central, and more. Make sure to check them out. If you want better rankings, more clicks, higher conversions, and stronger visibility in both Google and AI search, start using Schema Markup today. And if you want to make things easier, try JSON Schema app. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.